Hi, I'm Michael Cornell, the founder of the Aligned Ballet Method. And if you like this video, please click subscribe so you can get more of our tutorials. And if you're interested in ballet training, we have live classes from 6 different locations in Southern California. I'm in our main flagship location near Beverly Hills, and we lease space at 6 other studios from North Hollywood to Orange County. And you can work with us virtually. We have an amazing virtual program. We have virtual classes daily for adults, primarily adults. We specialize in adult beginners, so if you've never tried ballet before, I think we're a great option for you for getting you started. You don't need a lot of equipment to start virtually. You can hold on to a sturdy chair. If you have access to a digital device that you can put your Zoom app on, you can beam us up. You can try us for 30 days for free. Go to our website, alignedballetmethod.com. You can find out more information on our live classes and our virtual classes. So this is my 10-part tutorial, tips for total beginning ballet students. These are 10 important ideas I think you should know when you begin ballet. They'll just help you approach the class in a more professional manner. I'm going to go through the first 2 fairly quickly. The other ones will be more technically based, but the first 2 ideas I'd like to express to you. The first idea, first tip for total adult beginners is sew your ballet shoes. Sew your ballet shoes. By the way, let me let you see more of our studio. This is our studio in Los Angeles, as I said, near Beverly Hills. I'm going to show you my ballet shoes. These are the ballet shoes that I typically teach in. So they're pretty well worn, and they have these elastics on them. I'm going to zoom in closer so you can see these in more detail. So you see this? They have these elastics. They have, let me put this away. They have these little elastics on the interior. I don't know if you can see those. These like little stretchy elastics right there. And that's the elastic that wraps around your foot that helps secure it. These elastics go over top your shoes. So, but when you buy them brand new, they generally come looking like this. Do you guys see that? Can I get, there we go, the camera's focus. So this is a brand new pair of, same shoe, not worn, all white, real pretty. And you can see the elastics are not sewn. I'm not going to go into detail of how you sew these elastics, but you basically take one elastic and crisscross it there, and take the other one and crisscross it there. There's plenty of tutorials on YouTube which will teach you how to sew these elastics. Most important, this elastic here, you want to double knot this elastic, and I'm sure the tutorials will go over this. This one you want to double knot, and then you cut, after you double knot it, you cut this end piece, and then when you wear it, you tuck these into your shoe. So you'll just tuck that up and into your shoe. You slip your shoe on. What we don't like to see in ballet class, especially our newest students always do this, they have the elastic sticking out like this. Or even worse, they have it tied into a giant bow and it's hanging off the front of the shoe here. So please don't come in with a big bow on your shoe. Let me go back to me here. Yeah. So let me show you what we sell at our studio. We have these pre-sewn shoes. These are pre-sewn, whoops. These are pre-sewn ballet shoes. And these are kind of the newest technology. They come with a stretch canvas. They don't have any elastic. They already have kind of a built-in, what wraps around here is already kind of stretchy and will cling to your foot. And they come pre-sewn. So they're real low maintenance. You just buy them and slip them on. We sell these at our studio, our main location studio. We also sell them online from our website, alignedballetmethod.com. So depending on where you go, where you buy your shoes, they might come pre-sewn or they may not. If you're going to sew your ballet shoes, there's 2 important tips I do recommend. When you sew your ballet shoes, do not use regular thread. Use dental floss. This is dental floss. I'll just walk right up here. so you can see that. That kind of dental floss. You got that? Dental floss. So go ahead and use dental floss to sew your shoes. And the final thing I'll have to say is this elastic here. I'll just walk up. I think it's easier just to walk up. That elastic here, this that wraps around your foot there, don't pull that too tight. Never ever pull that too tight around your foot. If you leave class and you have a little indentation on the back of your heel from having that elastic super tight on your foot and having this back end of the shoe right there press into your heel, that is no good. That can cause an injury. That could cause you to get Achilles tendonitis. So please, for your safety, do not pull this elastic that wraps around your foot too tight. Those are 2 pro tips. Dental floss, and don't pull that elastic too tight for your safety. And I will put in this video, in the links, I will put some tutorials about it. There's plenty of people on YouTube who show you how to sew your ballet shoes. There's like 100 of those different types of videos, so we'll add one in the notes of this video. Then the final other pro tip, and I'm not going to tell you how to do this, is one thing we love to see when you come to your first ballet class is put your hair up. So, and we'll add a video of how to make a bun for you, but I can't show you that because obviously, you know, I don't have any hair. I've never had to wear a bun. My hair's generally always been this length. So, but it's nice when students come in prepared to have their elastics sewn, their shoes fit properly, their hair is up. We don't really require anyone to like wear ballet attire. We tell people you know, when they're first starting, they may not want to invest a lot of money in clothing. So you could start it with us with like a pair of yoga pants, like Lululemon pants or whatever you wear to the gym. Some young women just wear their athletic shorts, whatever you're comfortable in. As long as you can stretch and move in the clothing and the attire you're wearing, and it's relatively form-fitting so we can see your body alignment. That's very helpful. But it's always nice when the dancers put their hair up. It's not in their face. And it's nice to have a class where it's very uniform looking. Everyone has their hair up. Everyone's kind of properly neat and fitted, and then we all get the sense that we're here to really study, focus, and concentrate. So those are my 2 first tips. Watch the other videos. There's a lot to talk about. The first 2 are very easy. Sew your ballet shoes before your first class and put your hair up. Okay? Go to our website, alignballetmethod.com, and we have more information for you. You can get 30 days of virtual classes with us, all levels, total beginner to advanced. We have classes every day. 30 days for free for your first free trial. First month, absolutely free, no commitment. Sign up online, it's very easy. We'd love to work with you. I use the same camera, sound quality, picture quality. What you're seeing here is what you'll see in our virtual classes with beautiful music. Okay? Very good. Hope to see you soon. Thanks.